Graders, we've been looking at expressions, and last time we just briefly looked at what a linear equation is. So today we're going to look at lesson 4, solving a linear equation, and lesson 5, writing and solving linear equations. So solve the following linear equation. So our first step is going to be to combine the x's. So we count them because they're all just 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4x plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals negative 28. So next we combine the numerals. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12. We have 4x plus 12 equals negative 28. Next, our goal is to get x by itself. So first we subtract 12. So first you always either add or subtract whatever the numeral is. So then negative 28 minus 12 is negative 40. Then we divide by 4. So we get x equals a negative 10. And you could go back and check that. So we would replace all of our x's. So negative 10, negative 10, negative 10, negative 10. So we have negative 10 plus 2, or negative 20 plus 2 is negative 18. Plus negative 10 is negative 28. Plus 4 is negative 24. Plus x is negative 34, plus a positive 6 is a negative 28. How about this one? We have 1/3 x minus 5 plus 171 equals x. So first combine like terms. So negative 5 plus 171, or we can move x to the other side too. So we'd have negative 5 plus 171, x minus 1/3 x. So 166 equals 2/3 x. Divide by 2/3 to get x by itself. 166 times 3/2, because when you divide by a fraction, it's the reciprocal, equals 83 times 3, because they simplified, 166 divided by 2 is 83. We get 249, so x equals 249. Again, you could go back and double check that. So now what about writing linear equations? One angle is 5 degrees less than 3 times the measure of another angle. Together, the angle measures have a sum of 143 degrees. What is the measure of each angle? So we're going to write this in sections. So first, we know that the sum is 143. We know that x is one of the angles. And I'm pretty sure that I skipped a whole bunch, so give me just a second. All right, we're going to go back for a second because I didn't skip. I just put too much information on that side. So the other angle is going to be 5 degrees less than 3 times the measure of another angle. So x is our other angle. So we have 3 times minus 5. So 3x minus 5. So first we combine any like terms that are on the same side. X plus 3x is 4x minus 5 equals 143. Now get x by itself. So 2 steps, plus 5 to both sides. Then divide by 4, we end up with 37. Okay. One more. A right triangle is described as having an angle of measure 6 less than negative 2 times a number. Another angle measure that is 3 less than negative 1/4 the number, and a right angle. What are the measures of the angles in degrees? So we know that our equals is going to be 90, but we also have an angle measure 6 less than negative 2 times a number. So our number is x. Another angle measure 3 less than negative 1/4 the number. So negative 1/4 x minus 3. So that's there. And then equals 90. So first combine like terms. So negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 9. Negative 2x plus a negative x over 4 minus 9 equals 90 is our new thing after that. Next, find the common denominator for the like terms, because here we have a fraction. So negative 8x over 4 plus negative x over 4 minus 9 equals 90. So combine the other like terms. Negative 8x over 4 plus the negative x over 4 is negative 9x over 4 minus 9. Excuse me. Next, get x by itself. So we add 9 to both sides. negative 9x over divided by 4 equals, that should be 99. Sorry. And we multiply times 4 on both sides. Let's just double check that that's correct. Okay, so 396 is the correct number. I just forgot to put the 99 there. So we have a negative 9x equals 396. So we divide by negative 9 on both sides. We get x equals negative 44. But I'm not done yet. So we need to find what those two angle measures are that 82, or that equals the right angle, because x is just our number. So we plug them back in. So we end up with, after all these steps, 82 plus 8 equals 90. So our two angle measures are 82 and 8. Okay? So, seems like a lot, but it gets easier the more you do it. So, assignment is to complete the Edmodo questions for lessons 4 and 5. You'll have a variety of just solving the equation, but then also selecting the right equation for the problem. They'll probably be a little easier than those ones were. And then in the next problem, you'll have the opportunity to solve. So let me know if there's any questions. Have a great day.